Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing this belly wrapped waist trainer from Amazon. Feeling Girl waist trainer. That's their brand, the Feeling Girl. 3 weeks post baby, and this is what I look like. So let's drop this baby. Let's drop this baby and check this out. So this is Feeling Girl, what do you call it, from Amazon. It's actually thick. I like the fact that it's thick. I never used one of this before, and this is post baby number 4. That's baby number 4. Now this is their website. This is actually a real review. This is not a free product. This is the price. It's $25.99, and this is after 27% discount because it's $35.76. It had like 20,000 reviews on Amazon, so I kept reading and reading to make sure, and that's how I got this one. Okay, so let's see how does it look. One size fits all. This is 13 feet long. It is 13 feet long. I think it's long. 13 feet long. Has this little band area. Also has a Velcro. So it is 13.1 feet long, 4.9 inches wide. I don't know how thick I would say it is, but all the what do you call it will be there in the descriptions. All the rest of the this thing will be there. The rest of the specifications will be there in the description, but got it from Amazon. Now I'm going to show you what the other dress looks like. I'll put it on without this, and then I will try it on with this on. Okay, so this is the dress I'll be doing before and afterwards, and this is it. That's what I look like 3 weeks post baby. For the sake of decency, I'm gonna put back on what I was wearing, and then we'll try it. I'll put on what I was wearing, then we'll wrap this up and put this dress back on. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Wrap me up. Never used this before. So this goes like this. I was thinking it goes like this. Start from each stages. So it feels a little tight, not so flexible, but I like that it's very discreet. You can't see where it starts and where it ends, although you can see this, but not so much. But I probably didn't wrap it well. Anyways. And for the back row, so let's put on the dress. Let's put back the dress on and see what it looks like with it.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
That's what it looks like. like I said, I got it from Amazon, $25, $25.99. I personally think it's nice. It's not like my other compression garments, so it's not really that flexible, but you're able to wear it the whole day from the look of things and do that. At least it's not showing. That's the surprising part. It's not even showing under the dress. So this mama of 4 kids is feeling more sexier with this thing. I'm gonna wear it for some time, and this is mostly to help with the compression, the bulging belly, and at least wear it for a couple of months, and that will help. Even my back fat, I didn't put it properly, but when I wear a regular bra that is not strapless, when I put on a regular bra, so I can see the thing at the back here. When I put on a regular bra, then I'll wrap it properly, but it's my first time wrapping it, so that's what it looks like. Feel free to send us your products for review, guys. Appreciate the time and appreciate you returning to our videos to watch over and over again. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. And if you're new, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe because it's more interesting videos here. More videos for reviews, more videos, family vlog and all that stuff. But yeah, I love it. And look, it actually matches my toenails, the color of the dress. I didn't even look at that part. The toenails, because it was a baby boy. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.